Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips again. Today we have a Hoover washing machine that we're unpacking. Okay, that's the spec and that's the model number and everything. So I'm just gonna cut the plastic off and show you what you get for your money. Let me get a pair of scissors I have here. You don't need to show me, watch me cut your plastic off. I'm gonna cut it off and come back. See you in a sec. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you get for your money. Okay, give you a look at the front of it. We may have to give you a shot of it again when it's working. This is your pipe. What we're gonna do, because we're gonna be exchanging it for that one, we're gonna see if we can just take the pipe off of there. It screws on to there. So if we just take it off of there, screw it straight on, we won't have to run this one. Also, the same with the outlet pipe. We can't do that with the outlet pipe because it seems a bit more of a pain. And then our plug. Anyway, we managed to find this is what we're gonna take to undo all four of these. There's your instruction booklet that tells you what you got to do. Okay, and then you have different bits and pieces. Basically, this is all that comes with it. These, I imagine, are to plug the holes once you get your bits and pieces out. So I'm gonna take those out and move that one, plumb it in. See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's our washing machine. And as I said before, I was gonna try and swap the pipe over. This looks like a longer pipe, so we'll be swapping it over. But before, which is the mistake I almost made, you do that. That's where the pipe goes to your cold water. Now to turn that off, you gotta twist it. See it that way? That one is off. So you want that one pointing the same way. You're not gonna interfere with that because you're not replacing that. And on here is your outlet pipe. So you need a pliers, screwdriver, whatever it is to take that off. If you're having problems getting that off, then just pull it off of here. Alright, that unscrews, and then get your screwdriver. Okay, let me see if I have a screwdriver somewhere I can demonstrate properly. Here we go. Just get your screwdriver in there and undo that. I can't do it because whatever. So I'm gonna undo that, take that out, pull that out, switch that water off, undo it from the back of there, move that one in place, and I'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. There is our water feed. We've just tied it up because we don't want it draining all over the floor. While we've got our machine out, we took the opportunity of giving the floor a bit of a clean. This is our new machine. There's the pipe I was telling you. That's gonna go on. And here's the what's gonna go. We've plugged it out. We've disconnected our pipe here, which is that one there. So we're gonna connect that one back to that. We're gonna feed this one through that hole. And I was trying to get it off, but it was kind of finicky. Now, if you have to take these things out, any of these things you take apart, make sure you check for washers. If there's any washer missing or anything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect it all back up again first, and then screw it onto there. Okay, what else did I have to tell you? This is the clip that was holding it on. So we put that back there. The screwdriver we're gonna need to tighten it up. These are the spacers that fits in with, this is the old drum, but you know where I took it out and I plugged it with the 4 plugs as I said. And there's our power lead. Our power lead is here, so we're just gonna plug our power back in, run that back through, connect our pipes, and hopefully everything will be all right. This is what you get. This is how it comes out the machine. So you take all of that out. 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If it falls down inside the machine while you're trying to do it, don't panic. It will just rest at the bottom of the machine. If you tilt the machine over, see that? Get somebody to hold it. Make sure you haven't done them anything before you go put your head on the thing because they could let it down on you and then rub you. Whatever, a joke. Okay. So I'm gonna put that in place. Feed my pipe through the hole there. Plug my mains in. Connect back there. And before I put the machine in place, I'm gonna turn everything on and check for leaks. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, we're back again now. Our water has been switched back on. The blue one, see, in line, down is off. That's the cold water. Right, so that's back on. We've connected up our outlet pipe back. We've screwed that in there. Make sure that it's tight so we don't get no leaks. Alright, connect that back behind our washing machine. I'm going to try and get my hand down here. You can see, put my hand around it. Bone dry and the water is on, so I'm happy with that. Plug is in and it's switched on. So all I need to do now is put it in place. See you again in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's our machine all installed, all good to go. As you can see, it's all lit up nice and bright, and hopefully it'll be all fine. We're going to give it a test run now, but we know we ain't got no leaks and everything is good. So till next time from Tradespeople's Tips, careful out there, and if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay, see you later. Okay, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's our first wash.